Hey guys, today we're doing a Target unboxing challenge. This is our second try because in our first try, I put our labels in the shot, so I didn't want that to happen. So, in our first box, we have the Golden Stormtrooper.
What's that?
It's a Golden Stormtrooper, Teddy. Look at it. Oh my gosh.
Those don't exist.
Yes, dude. If it didn't exist, I wouldn't have it.
Well, in
Look
the
at
movies.
it. Oh, I know, but these are cool. I mean, like, yeah, like you're gonna be seeing this a lot in my videos. So I'm gonna put that right there. It's really cool. I really am enjoying it.
I'm smushed.
This next one, Teddy ordered.
What is it?
Ghostbusters, Funko Pop, Kevin.
If
you like Kevin, smash that like button. Cause I don't really.
If you don't know who Kevin's from, watch Ghostbusters.
Yeah, Ghostbusters is a pretty good movie.
It's a really good movie.
Now, for our third box. The reason I'm throwing those boxes is because, like, you know, like they deserve it. All right.
Because they've been mean.
Our second Star Wars product from Star Wars: The Last Jedi. I don't know. That's upside down, but who cares? Let's see. If you're wondering, we bought all this stuff with our gift cards. And, like, no parents' help was involved. We all just, like, did this by ourselves. So, I don't know if you can see this, but, yes, it's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. I'm going to hang it up behind me after I'm done with this video. So, yes.
Is that a hand solo?
Alright, now for the final box. We have something really intense. I have to flip it over for intensity. Oh, my computer just fell. It's not Kevin.
This is my Nerf gun. Subscribe or smash that like button if you think that this is a hand.
We have a.
It's a Poe gun.
Nerf gun.
Can you open that?
Maybe. You're gonna be seeing this in some videos coming up because I ordered this just for the videos. And Teddy got this for his birthday last year.
It's a Poe Dameron gun.
Guys, if you think that's a Poe Dameron, which is not, because if you look, never mind. Well, look up on Amazon, Han Solo Nerf Blaster, and once you see that, then it'll show this one.
It's Poe Dameron.
Like, look at it.
It's Poe Damerons.
Look up Poe Damerons on Amazon too. This is not Poe Damerons. So,
you can look
yes.
at it already.
You're going to be seeing this in some future videos. I'm super excited about this.
They give you stickers.
Oh wait, no, that's the Amazon thing that helps it tape the thing on.
I want to see how good it shoots.
Alright.
Let's see how good it shoots.
Here's a better view of it. I'm super excited about this, so hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll be showing these in some other videos, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. This was all bought by Teddy and I with our gift cards from Target. And Target's not the sponsor. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to smash that like button and
watch Ghostbusters if you don't know who Kevin is.
Alright.